Mark E Industries designs and manufactures products to simplify the art of tile installation. Pre-pitch, quick pitch, curb perfect, and string-a-level all help the professional and the do-it-yourselfers alike achieve results with speed, accuracy, and confidence. The following video will show you how these products perform in both concrete and wood subfloor applications. To begin any quality shower installation, you must start with a structurally sound and properly prepared subfloor. A leveling compound may be needed to remove any crowning. The bottom half of the roughed-in shower drain and the subfloor must be level. This is very important because if the drain is angled or out of level, the finished floor will greatly enhance this fact, causing an unsightly and unpleasing effect on the tile that surrounds the floor drain riser and affecting the draining of the shower floor. What will be referred to as the liner or the pan membrane is a sheet of 40 mil vinyl material that is used to control the huge amount of water that annually falls on a shower floor. Mud beds are the sloped area under the floor tile and consist of 1 part Portland cement to 4 parts clean sand. All shower floor mud beds permeate water. If they didn't, there would not be a need for a liner. The water that passes through this mud bed and contacts the liner must be directed toward the drain to escape out the drain's weep holes. This creates a properly functioning pan. If the liner is not pre-pitched, water could pond between the bottom of the mud bed and the liner. This problem causes many of the mold and mildew related issues facing our industry today. Pre-pitch is the first product to be installed. Pre-pitch is a unique tool that creates the proper subfloor pitch needed underneath the pan liner to manipulate the water flow toward the weep holes that are an integral part of shower floor drains. Begin installing pre-pitch by first determining if the subfloor is level and how many sticks will be needed to accommodate the floor's particular shape. Reverse mark each stick that needs to be cut to length. If the wall is farther than 3 feet from the drain, extended pre-pitch sticks are available. Cut with PVC pipe cutters, hacksaw, or a dry diamond blade grinder. Stick ends should be spaced less than 2.5 feet apart to make screeding easier. The thin end of pre-pitch should remain about a ½ inch back from the edge of the drain's bottom flange. This eliminates a step down after the drain's top flange is attached. On concrete, use 2-sided tape to hold pre-pitch in place while the area is being filled with mud. On wood subfloor installations, use screws or nails to secure pre-pitch to the floor. Be sure the screws or nails are countersunk so they do not puncture the liner. Mix mud slightly wetter than a dry pack type mixture. This will yield better results for the thin fill close to the drain. Screed each cell full and allow to set. After pre-pitch is set properly, the liner can now be installed. As a rule of thumb, the liner, and any nails for that matter, should not be lower than 3 inches above the top of the shower curb. This creates an above-ground swimming pool effect to control water flow inside a home. This way, water could fill the pan and spill over the curb before it could find another way out. Lay out the liner on the shower floor, allowing for the correct amount of material up the walls and over the curb. If the area for the liner is larger than the widest material manufactured, which is 6 feet wide, an additional piece of material must be seamed and glued to make a single larger piece. A special glue is made for this purpose. Follow manufacturer's directions carefully. Never use PVC pipe glue for this task. It can be unpredictable and possibly melt the liner. Particular attention should be made where the liner and the bottom drain flange meet. A bead of plumber's putty between the top of the flange bolts and the outer edge of the bottom flange under the liner will guarantee a permanent seal. Staple or nail the liner up and fold the corners in a way that will not affect the wallboards.